We let them in?
Yeah, one.
He's freaking.
You ready? Perfect.
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah.
Wait, just one? It's
All
coming.
right, Colin. Close the door, Sam. Close the door.
Nope.
So here. Don't lock it. All right, let's go. Come on, get in here. Get over here. Come on, buddy.
I gotta unlock it.
We don't have all night,
Here's what
dude.
we gotta do. So the reason that no one else can be in here is because we're gonna rip this towel off, and you don't know what. There's a ball in there. You don't know what kind it is. And so as fast as you can, you're gonna rip the towel off and name the ball. So towel off, whatever, towel off, whatever, towel off, whatever, right? And then the fastest time will win. Good. I don't want you to cheat. I don't want you to cheat. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? Help me count down from 3. All the way down. Yep, as fast as you can. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, basketball.
Yeah, go!
Football.
Go!